Bats are truly extraordinary creatures. They are the only mammals capable of true flight. Their wings are not like bird wings. Instead, they are formed by a thin membrane of skin. This skin stretches between their elongated fingers and body. Bats are most active at night. This makes them nocturnal animals. They rule the night sky when many other animals are asleep. Bats are found all over the world. They live in a variety of habitats. These include caves, forests, and even deserts. Bats come in a wide range of sizes. Some bats are tiny, like the bumblebee bat. Others, like flying foxes, have a large wingspan. Bats are warm-blooded animals. Like all mammals, they give birth to live young. Their babies are called pups. Mother bats nurse their pups with milk. This is another characteristic of mammals. Bats play a vital role in many ecosystems. They are important pollinators and seed dispersers. Some bats even help to control insect populations. Bats are fascinating creatures with a unique place in the animal kingdom. Bats have a wide range of diets. This dietary diversity is one reason they are so successful. Most bats are insectivores. This means they primarily eat insects. These bats play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. They help to keep ecosystems in balance. Fruit bats are another important group. As their name suggests, they feed mainly on fruit. They are attracted to the sweet flesh and juice. Fruit bats play a crucial role in seed dispersal. They fly from tree to tree, spreading seeds as they go. Some bats have a more unusual diet. Certain species of bats feed on nectar. These bats have long tongues and specialized teeth for extracting nectar from flowers. They are important pollinators, helping plants to reproduce. A small number of bat species are carnivorous. They prey on small animals like frogs, lizards, and even other bats. These bats have sharp teeth and powerful jaws for catching and consuming their prey. Bats are often misunderstood creatures. They are often associated with darkness, fear, and even evil. However, many of these beliefs are based on myths and misconceptions. One common myth is that all bats are blind. This is simply not true. While some bats rely heavily on echolocation, most bat species have good eyesight. Another common myth is that all bats are vampires. While it is true that some bat species feed on blood, the vast majority of bats do not. In fact, only 3 species of bats worldwide are vampire bats. These bats typically feed on the blood of the livestock. They rarely bite humans. Bats are not aggressive animals. They do not attack humans unless they feel threatened. Bats are actually quite timid. They will usually try to avoid contact with humans whenever possible. Bats are important members of the ecosystem. They play a vital role in maintaining a healthy environment. Bats are well known for their ability to navigate in complete darkness. They do this using a remarkable adaptation called echolocation. Echolocation is a biological sonar system. Bats emit high-pitched sounds. These sounds are usually too high for humans to hear. These sound waves travel outward from the bat. When the sound waves hit an object, they bounce back. The bat listens for these returning echoes. Bats can determine the size, shape, and location of objects in their environment. This allows them to fly and hunt in complete darkness. Bats use echolocation for a variety of purposes. They use it to find food. They can locate insects in mid-air or fruit hanging from a branch. Bats also use echolocation to navigate. They can avoid obstacles and find their way back to their roosts. Echolocation is a complex and fascinating adaptation. It allows bats to thrive in environments that would be impossible for other animals. See you next time. Love you all.